So here's the Fit and Hot airbrush system. I've been doing a little bit of practicing, trying to figure this out. Like I mentioned, I'm brand new to this hobby, and I'm getting the hang of it. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about it. I've got it all set up using the gravity feed. This just pulls off. Just put some airbrush specific paint in it, just because I knew that was going to be the easiest for me. And then we're going to turn that on. And right away, what you'll notice is if you push down, you'll get air pressure, right? But what you need to do is be able to push down and bring this trigger back. And so to do that, you need to use this adjustment here, okay? So you may need to unscrew some here so that you can push down and bring it back, because that's what's going to activate the paint. If you're just pushing it down and you can't bring it back, turn this a little bit till you can, and then that's how you're going to get paint out of there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. It's just a switch in the back, a power switch. So you might be able to hear that now. It's kicked in. It's generating pressure. You can look on the dial, okay, and you can adjust that from here. So it got to the point where I had it. We can, and what it'll do is once it's made that pressure, it's going to stop making any noise until it needs more pressure. So we're just going to go ahead. You may need to adjust this a little bit. Okay, so there you can see it starting to paint. So again, this is a really fine, there we go. So if you turn this even more, that's going to get you more paint, okay? So that's how you can adjust it. You're getting more and more paint. So there, now I'm getting a lot more paint, right? But that's also how you can make it really fine. You can really adjust the layers too, is by using this little knob here. All right. So that's how it works. Again, that's with the gravity feed. If you do the glass jars, the siphon feed, um, it just takes more pressure. And I guess it's just harder to do really detailed work like you can if you're using the gravity feed. So that's the big difference between the two. But I'm excited to try this out some more. I'm going to try to get the hang of it a little more, play with it a little more, but that should give you a good start as to how to use this and how to get going with it. So again, Fit and Hot, it's their airbrush system. It's really quiet, which is nice. It's small, it's compact, and again, there's no sort of oiling or any maintenance that you need to do to it. So it should be very easy to use and to keep using. So check it out.